Hello, welcome to How to Win CompXM Top 10 Winning Tips. Win CompXM Lesson 5. Focus on production, schedule, buy new capacity, update automation to get the top results 900, 990. This is if you are going to have Proctor CompXM, you should watch all the video to pass that. For sure you can pass, understand CompXM and pass. Check the other video for lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson 4. This is video for lesson 5, focus on production. I show you now. So remember to open the career report. You get this part, page number 4. You see the unit you sold last round here, and you see the inventories here, and then you see, the growth of each segment here from 11% to 16%, right? 10 and 15 and 16%. So multiple. Use the Excel file to calculate that. You copy the unit you sold here, inventories here, and multiple by the segment growth here. You get the demand and forecast here. You can add about 5% if you want, and get the production here. So that's the way we calculate the production. You can check the automation from the report here. You see the automation around here for production. You see that the performance inside. You see the product automation here, right? So increase automation for product. You see the product. Remember, I say it again and again 10 times that the order of the product different. So you need to open the report to check the product. What is the trip? What is the core, nano, and lead? And this order change on the route, and the performance and size change on the student from student to student, right? So remember, in this case, trip here, trip number 4 here. So performance 10. Core 8, nano, and lead 6. You increase that. So this is a sample of round 4, right? Sample of round 4. So remember to buy more capacity and update automation. I show you here the capacity here, right? Capacity 1,200 and 900 for trip and core, 1,000 and nano and lead 900, right? So if you have any questions, send the email to mbacim.ferris@gmail.com or get the free support for our 1 and quiz 1. You see the top result here. You can get the top sale, top profit, top result, and if you want, you can get 1 hour Zoom guide to complete 4 round quizzes, right? Thank you for watching. Good luck and